now for design and brand.
Oh, wow. Yeah. That's cool.
And so JB said that designers give up their seat at the table for craft, right? And then they think that like they could just show up to the table and bring their craft with them, and that's like what justifies their seat at the table. But the table means you're making prioritization decisions, you're having critical debate, you are deciding how you resource things, and that kind of takes you out like that craft expertise on how to use a tool or how to replicate like a certain result in a design software doesn't really translate into the running of a business skill set.
Yeah, that's really interesting. That's like a fascinating way to put it, because there's an opportunity cost there, right? Like, just like you said, if you want to see the table, it requires these meetings where we discuss these things. That's an opportunity cost.